Alright, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be looking at user input in Python. So we're going to learn how to assign variables with the user input. So far we've covered how to assign variable values directly in a Python file. However, we often want a user of a program to enter new information into the program. How can we do this? As it turns out, another way to assign a variable to a value to a variable is through user inputs. Now, while we output a variable's value using print, we can assign information using input. Now, the input function requires a prompt message, which will print out for the user before they enter in the new information. For example, we can do little snakes and or like snakes and then equals input, do you like snakes? Now, in the example above, the following would occur. The program would print out, do you like snakes for the user? And the user would enter in an answer like, yes, I have 7 pythons as pets, and then hit enter. The variable like snakes would now be assigned the value of the user's answer. Now let's try constructing a statement to collect the user's inputs on my own. So let's fill in the blanks to complete a statement that asks a user, what is your favorite flightless bird? And then stores that answer in the variable favorite flightless bird. So now we have favorite flightless bird equals input, and then what is your favorite flightless bird? Like so. Not only can input be used for collecting all sorts of different information from a user, but once you have the information stored in a variable, you can use it to simulate interaction. So for example, if we have favorite fruit, input what is your favorite fruit? What is your favorite fruit? And then they put in mango. We print out, oh cool, I like favorite fruit too, but I think my favorite fruit is apple. Oh, cool. I like mango too, but I think my favorite fruit is apple. So you see how you can just use this and just have it do like an interaction basically. Now these are pretty basic implementations of input, but as we get more familiar with Python, we're going to find more and more interesting scenarios where we want to interact with the user. And this is very nice for user input. It's a really valuable thing. But yeah, that's gonna end it right here. If you did enjoy, please consider subscribing. But until next time, I'll see ya.